Hello and welcome to this channel about cryptocurrency education. Today I'd like to talk about a major milestone on the Cardano journey. And I'm talking about Yoroi Wallet's DApp connector and why it is so crucial and so important for the Cardano ecosystem, the project and mass adoption. Now this article or this update that you can find on the Emergo blog was published yesterday. And what it is basically, they say they are thrilled to announce Yoroi Wallet's DApp connector. Now, what is the DApp connector? I mean, I can only tell you what I could research and understand, from my point of view. But it certainly is something that will change the whole ecosystem, in my opinion. So what they do is they will offer a interface from the Yoroi wallet or embedded into the Yoroi wallet that will allow you, if you are staking your ADA coins on the Yoroi or in the Yoroi wallet, that you can access the apps on the Cardano blockchain. So it is sort of a bridge to the Cardano block between Cardano and the dApps. So I envision it in a certain way that if you have, as I said, your ADA staked and you want to use a certain dApp that is running on the Cardano blockchain, then you can access that dApp through your Yoroi wallet, or you can access your dApp. You will be able to link that dApp to your wallet, and then you don't have to transfer your ADA coins from the wallet first, let's say, to that decentralized application, or to a separate wallet for that application. No, you can connect that dApp directly to your Yoroi wallet. And that is so interesting and so important because, as Charles Hoskinson said before, it is so important that you have a good user interface, something that people want to use, people understand, which is straightforward, because that will fuel mass adoption. That will help with mass adoption. And if you don't have that, people are probably likely not to use it, and people need to understand. People don't need to understand the technical side of things. I mean, even today, there are many people who don't know what the internet is. So I envision that even in, let's say, in 10 years, when I guess most people are going to use crypto, many people will still not understand what crypto is or how crypto works. And the thing is, they don't need to, they don't need to. They just have to be able to use it. And if you have something that makes it straightforward for someone to use it, that will fuel mass adoption. And that will bring people to the decentralized applications running on that particular blockchain, because it is easy to understand. And even if, as I said, even if people are, in 10 years, 90% of the world's population, which I don't think will be the case, because even today, most people, there are many people in the world who don't even use the internet today. But even if, let's say, 50% of the population will use crypto in 10 years, let's say maybe 90% of these 50% will not be able to understand crypto. They don't want to understand and they don't need to understand. But as long as you have that interface, which makes it easy, that is a big bonus. And in this case, Yoroi Wallet, they are let's say, the pioneers. I'm sure at a certain point in time, different wallets where you can stake your ADA today as well will be able to provide something similar, hopefully. But if not, that will be a big benefit for Yoroi Wallet and will really make it much more accessible, much more user-friendly. And as I said, Charles Hoskinson said how important it is. And it seems like this is one of the next big milestones on Cardano's journey to mass adoption and to becoming much more widespreadly used in the community, by different people. Obviously, we all have to wait for the smart contracts and the decentralized applications in a couple of months. But as soon as that's the case, you can then use the Yoroi wallet to access these dApps, which is a big bonus. And I'm really excited about that. I can't wait how that looks. And as I said, it is not a small update. It is really something that helps and allows Cardano to become mainstream or more mainstream, and to the mass adoption of crypto, and especially Cardano. So hopefully that was a useful video. I just wanted to give you that update. If you liked it, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.